Hi guys! It's your favorite pseudo girl here, Nai, and of course today we're going to be doing another makeup look. And as you guys can see, and if you can tell by the photos up here, today we're going to be doing the cold girl aesthetic. I'm sure you guys have seen it all over your feed. Everyone's attempting it this winter, but I don't see a lot of people with my skin tone or even brown skin tones attempting it. So here's my attempt at the cold girl aesthetic for my dark skin girlies. Let's get into it. Okay guys, I love to start with a very moist base and then I go in with my e.l.f. Ultra Grip Primer. And after I put that all over my face, I like to set everything with a nice setting spray. I do this just to make sure my makeup lasts a little longer. Then I like to go in with a setting powder also just to really secure everything. Then I'll put my eyebrow wax into my brows, comb it out, and then fill it with my brow pencil. After that, with a brow liner, I like to go in and just draw little hair strokes, and then I conceal everything. Then I like to go in with a warm blush shade. Use any color on your palette just to deepen up that blush as well, just to make it more of a look, and then eyeliner to finish it off. And then for my base, I love to double conceal, so I'll go in and just conceal all of my problem areas and my smile lines, of course. Then I'll set my concealer and go in with my contour. I like to place my contour very strategically and then I blend it out, being sure to keep it in those areas, and then the areas surrounding, I'll go in with about a dot of foundation. Then after that, I'll highlight everything: cheekbones, nose, eyebrows, and then my favorite part, blush. I'll put a lot of blush on, and that is the last step, and I'll set everything. After setting, of course, I'll do a little setting powder mixed in with some of my foundation powder just to give it a little bit more depth, and then finish off with my lip combo. This is the complete look, guys. I hope you guys liked it.